Hi and welcome to another of my sales success videos. Today I'd like to talk you through the Navigate 2019 bundle, how to get access to it as well, and also highlight what exactly is in my Get the Meeting Starter Pack training. My name is Susan Marot and I help B2B salespeople to sell a lot more successfully but also profitably too. Now I'm a part of this fantastic little bundle and it's filled with great programs, and there's programs in here for everybody: courses, training, memberships, and it's ideal not just for salespeople but business people as well, and ourselves, I guess, as individuals, to help improve our business and sales performance. Now, you've only got 2-3 days left to grab hold of these programs, and there's loads in here for you to go at. You know, there's a marketing boot camp, which I've been through, it's great. There's my Get the Meeting Sales Training Starter Pack, and I will, go through that in a few more minutes. How to create and commenting marketing strategy, really useful training that if you're going to be using LinkedIn a lot more or social media. It goes through, how to connect with people, what to say to them, all that sort of thing. It's fantastic. LinkedIn Live, it's coming. We need to be doing it. I've been doing a lot more videos recently. So Alice's training here is fantastic and will really work for you. I know it will. It has done for me. You've then got website training, PR training, and the list just goes on. Lottie's mindset training, fantastic stuff, great girl. I know every one of these people personally. They're really great people, and they're doing great things with their clients. So you're going to benefit, all of this for just £27. So lots in there to go at. You can look at that at your leisure, but don't waste too much time because it's going to be gone soon. So all you need to do is click here to buy all 19 programs, and you'll go to the checkout page. Super simple. Just your first name, last name, email address, click the T's and C's, which way do you want to pay, and off you go. It's as simple as that. Now, I've already bought it because, like you, I had to get access to all the training. I want to pay for it. So, that's what we need to do. And let's face it, if you don't pay for something, you're not really going to use it. You're more likely to want to really use it when you've put your hard-earned cash down on the table. So once you've got your bundle, you'll get your instructions via email, and I want to show you now what you're going to get from me. Okay, so this is the Get the Meeting Starter Pack, which is it's all the great bits about how to get meetings with your decision makers. You can see that I'm in my WordPress site at the moment with all my other training, and my new location for all my training is called mySalesTrainingAcademy.com. That is where all my courses are now seated. That makes me GDPR compliant, so which is good for you to know as well. Now, Get the Meeting Starter Pack, basically you've got two chunky modules in here. The first one is planning and preparation, and you'll get I'll just click on that, and you'll get a welcome video from me where I talk through what you're going to learn about. We've then got all of the lessons in here. So you've got videos to help you find your future clients. So, this is all the things that you can click through each one. So let's go back and I'll show you a couple of more. We've got Introduction Essentials, Who is the Man? And this is a really useful one that you really need to nail. So do not miss Lesson 3 in Module 1, which is Who is the Man? Because this is, and I'll just play a little bit for you, this is really important stuff for you. You need to know who you need to be speaking to. Right, we'll stop. Yeah, you see you're going to get a little bit of George Clooney in there as well. So let's go back to the original module, the original course prep, and you'll also see in module 2, lesson 4, 7-point preparation checklist, because you can never have enough checklists, and that tells you exactly what you need to do before you even start going out to introduce yourself. And you'll find there's lots of downloads and templates within this training. It's not just about watching video, it's about getting on and doing. And that's exactly what I'm going to come to in the Module 2, Lesson 2, which is the opening benefit statement. Now, This is the one thing that if you do nothing else with your introduction or with this training, you watch this lesson. This is the one you need to get your head around, because in this video I talk you through the opening benefit statement. Now, the opening benefit statement is exactly that. It's the benefit within your introduction, and I go through that step by step with you. I also have here the sales introduction formula, and I think it is this one here. Let's have a look at that. There we are. Save me downloading it. And this goes through exactly what is included in the perfect introduction, and I give you an example there. Okay, so there's lots going on within this Get the Meeting Starter Pack for you to create the very best introduction possible. Okay, now what I also want to do is, when you become a member of my Sales Training Academy, you automatically get access to me via the LinkedIn group Succeed at Selling B2B. So I'll just click on there, and another notification. I'd only just checked those a few moments ago. Now, this is the Succeed at Selling B2B group on LinkedIn. Just search for Succeed at Selling B2B, request to join, and you're in. It is free, and I will remind you about that when you get the training as well. So there's lots going on in here. We have motivational quotes, we have Fab Friday, we have just updates from people. There's Raoul's updating us about his book. Wednesday Wisdom is all about business tips. So there's lots in there to help you to sell a lot more successfully. And that was something I shared about one of my clients on the other week's Fab Friday. So lots for you in there to help you with. And if you've got any questions, you pop them in the group. Just start a new conversation in the group, something along the lines of, what do you think about this introduction, and paste it in. Anything you want to share or any advice and help that you need, this is the place to go. So the Get the Meeting Sales Training Starter Pack, really useful training. This is the training. In fact, this is a little bit more in depth than what I do with my corporate clients. So you're getting some excellent training here for only £27, and within that £27 you don't just get my training, you get all of this as well. So if you have any questions at all, please contact me. The link to this training will be in the comments below, so click on it now and get it now. It's only £27 and you haven't got a lot of time left. I look forward to speaking to you again very soon. All the very best. Bye bye.